attends to a social class. See, we are going to seek about that history lesson 3. It is from chiefdoms to empire. Yes. So becoming, the process of becoming what? The leaders to king, right? So that is your lesson. So we are going to discuss about the military administration. What? Military administration. What is meant by military administration? Yes. See, that is Ranuva what? Nirvagam. Yes. So Ranuva Nirvagam. See, what are all the things it is going to be monitored? Yes. So in these, that is military administration process, right? So what are the things military administration is going to monitor? So what are the things? Let's see that. See, it is going to monitor the 6 category, that is 6 field of action, right? So it is going to monitor that. What are they? See that navy, armory, infantry, cavalry, the war chariots, the war elephants, right? Let me repeat that. See here, first one is, that is first action is navy, see armory, infantry, cavalry, the war chariots, the war elephants. See, let's see deeply about that. That is one by one. See, first one is what is military administration. Yes. See, what is the process it will occupy, that is it will contain, right? See here, the king was the supreme commander of the army. See, what is mean by army? That is both are same, that is Ranuvam. Yes, Tamil meaning is Ranuvam. See, the king, that is Raja, was the supreme commander of the army. See, the Siranda, what? Commander means what? That is supreme commander of the army, right? So here they are insisting what? The king was the supreme commander of the army, right? See, supreme means what? That is Siranda Talabadi. Yes, so Ranavathi Siranda Talabadi. Yes, so who? The king. The king is acting as the supreme commander of this army. Yes, and the next one is a board of 30 members. So listen carefully. A board of 30 members. A committee contains 30 members, and that 30 members is divided into, see here, 6 committees, 6 groups. Yes, so each group that is consists of what? How many members? 5 members on each, right? So totally a board contains 30 members, and that 30 members is divided into 6 groups, right? And each group consists of 5 members, right? So totally 30 members in an association, right? So these are all the military administration rules and regulation. Let's see deeply about this. See what is going to monitor here, right? See, first one is navy. See, navy means what? That is Tamil meaning is Kadarpade. Yes, so Kadarpade, right? So navy, see that above the surface of ocean, on the surface of ocean, and below the surface of ocean. Yes, so for this, see, it is used for what? Especially for war. Yes, Kadarpade. It is for soldiers. The people are what? See, who are the peoples? That is soldiers. Here, soldiers are presenting in the war. See, that is above on the surface of the ocean, and on the surface of the ocean, and below the surface of the ocean. So that is the navy, right? Then next one is armory. See, this is a place, one place, and where the weapons are kept for the usage of war, especially for the war using, right? And that is the armory. Yes, so the weapons are used for what? For the battle war, right? And the next one is infantry. What is mean by infantry? Kalarpade. Yes, in Tamil, Kalarpade. Here armory means, see, that is Ayudha Kalanjiyam, right? That is the weapons, the place where the weapons are kept. Yes, and here infantry means Kalarpade, the soldiers. Yes, they will fight for the war, that is fight on foot. Yes, see, army soldiers always fight on foot. They will place their footprints there. Yes, in the war, right? So always the war, remember the soldiers, the army soldiers. Yes, they dedicate, they sacrifice their life in the war, right? So for devoted to the army, right? The entire life will be dedicated to the army. Yes, so that is the infantry, Kalarpade. And cavalry. See, See, cavalry means what? See here, fought on horseback. That is in Tamil. The Tamil meaning is Kudirai Padai. Yes, this is one of the war, that is Kudirai Padai. See, it is also used for the battle of war. See here, fought on horse by using the many horses. Yes, horse ride. It's like a horse ride. And for it is used for what? This fought on horseback. Yes, though by using the horses, they will use to fight. Yes, in the war. That is warfare, battle war, right? And the next one is the war chariots. So this is what is meant by this. Yes, por Radhangal. War means por and chariots means what? Radhangal. So por Radhangal. See, this is the carriage driven by the charioteers. See, this is one type of vehicle, right? And this used for what? Carry the vehicle, that is carry the person. See, this used as a vehicle for the people who was in this war, right? See, who is going to present in the war. See, carriage driven by the charioteers. Yes. Next one is the last one is the war elephants. Yes, war means what? Por. Elephants mean Yanaigal. So, por Yanaigal, right? It is used, especially used for war. And see here, and in sometimes it is declined. This war elephants will be declined with the spread of firearms. See, declined means what? Restricted. Yes, so this war elephant will be restricted in sometimes with the spread of firearms. That is shooting. Yes, by using the pistols, guns. Yes, for especially it will be declined for the shooting process. Yes, so that is the war elephants. And the elephants and the horses will be always used for the war, the battle of war, the field of action. Yes, in the war, right? So these are all the military administration, right? See, what are the monitoring process? Navy, armory, infantry, cavalry, the war chariots, the war elephants. Yes, what is mean by Navy? Yes, Kadalpadai. Next, armory, that is Ayudha Kalanchiyam. Infantry, Kalarpadai. Cavalry, Udirai Padai. The war chariots, Por Radhangal. The war elephants, Por Yanaigal. Yes, so these are all the 6 monitoring process, field of actions in which is presenting here in military administration. Yes, so that's all about this. So thank you for being a part of this session. Thank you.